causes of cervical cancer म्हणजे कित्या खातीर जाता हो?
So most cancers as of the body we don't know the cause.
Correct.
But cervical cancer is one unique cancer where we know the cause. We know that 95 to 99% of cases are caused by infection by HPV or the human papilloma virus. So this virus is a ubiquitous virus. All people who are sexually active, married, get it sometime in their life. But in some people it remains. Our immune system is not able to clear it. So when it remains for a long time, this can cause various cancers. So cervical cancer is 95 to 99% of the cases it is caused by HPV viruses of the high risk type. So this is one cause. Secondly, it is people who smoke, high smokers. There's an increased chance of cervical cancer in them. Girls or women who have a younger age at first pregnancy or initial activity, younger age at sexual activity, having a high risk lifestyle of multiple sexual partners, and what you call multiparity, women who have lot of children. These are some other risk factors also which will predispose to a woman for a higher chance of having cervical cancer. And some conditions where immunity is low, like having an HIV infection or you being on immunosuppressant drugs, and in the low income setup like in India, where we are a middle or a low income country where we don't have a cervical cancer screening program, it is one of the bigger risk factors because we're not detecting in the early stages.